Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make a text curve here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Curving text in Canva is a simple process that can enhance your designs. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to open the project or design that you wanted to work with. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this, right? So now I'm looking on the design and I find it like I wanted to add a flair and an eye-catching element to this. So I wanted to stand out the text here or the font from a typical straight text arrangement, so it can draw attention to specific areas of my design, adding visual appeal. How we can we do that? Of course, what we can do is, in this specific text or font style, I want you to click on the effects section. It's very easy. All you're going to do is click this option that says curve. All right? Now, you see, it's curve, right? But you have the option to control how curve you wanted your text with. I believe this is kind of like what I wanted. And it's like a semi-crown or headband. So I believe that's it. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this picture a little bit smaller. So I kind of like have this effect, right? I'm going to curve this photo. You see, you can, of course, resize it to whatever size you want, right? So you're not limited. I'm going to copy this by pressing Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V, okay? And then I'm going to, you see this? I'm going to flip it. So it's kind of like, it has like a mirror effect at the bottom, right? So it's like an eye, right? So these are some of the options for you to curve your text. Another option is, for example, I'm going to copy this, right? Copy. I'm going to group and copy this. I'm going to add a new page, right? So we can resize this. Another option is we're going to the frames element section on the left side. Click on that, click on frame. Let's look for a curve kind of text. Now on the frame section, I'm going to type in curve. Right? Type that. Say for example, the frame. I'm looking for the frames, curve kind. Maybe this one right here. Going to rotate it, and I like how I feel it, and of course add the photos here, right? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.